I was looking for someone else to volunteer. Thank you. Okay, still loading. Okay, we're now live on YouTube and we're waiting for the district attorney so we can take a plea. So it's a hurry up and wait situation. But we got that get rid of that. That's usually a little bit of time. Okay. And the paperwork I have on my screen, is that on Thomas White?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which one is the assault? Which cost number? The 08263 is the assault? Because the
Yes,
way it's on the docket, it's confusing.
the 263 is the assault and the 435 is the evading.
Okay, thank you.
Plead on both or is one being, yes, it's
Plea on both, Judge. Deferred on both.
going to be a deferred case. Okay. Okay. Waiting on the DA. And we're waiting on other attorneys. Frankly, this must be the day where everyone said, nah, I don't want to do it. We stayed up too late watching the Spurs. We're hungover and we don't want to come in and joke one. Right?
Yep. Sounds about right.
Good morning, Sid.
Good morning. I need to speak to the ADA on both cases, please.
All right, ADA is not here, Sid. Give me just a few minutes.
Thank you.
Okay, here comes the DA.
You want to do this plea first, Judge?
Now let's have them confer real quick. Okay.
Oh, you want them to confer real quick? All right.
Yeah.
Good morning, Talia.
One
Morning.
plea ready. If you could confer with Mrs. Montoya quickly, and so we can do that plea, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Can you
What
put
do you
them in
guys do?
breakout
Room
rooms?
4. Room 4.
4. We usually do 6. You mess everything up when you come in. All right.
Hey,
We'll do 4.
that's what I do.
Okay.
That's my purpose here, Judge.
Just
Just to mess you up.
agent of chaos.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Ms. Trish is out of the breakout room, so can we go ahead and take that plea then on White? Can I ask the deputies to get White to the auxiliary court bench?
White at the camera, please. Sid, I'm moving you to room 1, okay?
Thank you.
Sir,
So. Mr. White, can you put your right hand up, please? Do you swear testimony you're about to give me, or Miss White, I'm sorry. Is it Mr. or Miss?
Mr.
Oh, Mr. White, Thomas White, I'm sorry, I'm reading the wrong thing. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Thomas White?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Thomas White who in this cause number 2026 CC 008263 who's charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Thomas White who in another cause number 2026 CC 008435 who in that cause number is charged with evading arrest?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have two cases. One is assault and the other one's evading arrest. They are both Class A misdemeanors. It is possible in each one of these cases that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible in each case anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in these two cases?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And just so that we're clear, you know that you have two cases, one's an assault, the other one's evade, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you have signed this document. You have filed it in both cases as well. And when you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me in these cases, if you follow the plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, in cause number 2026 CC 008263, where you're charged with assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And then the other cause number that you have, 2026 CC 008435, where you're charged with the evading arrest case. In that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has someone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing these pleas of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to recite it? It's the same, we just do it once.
It is virtually the same. There is a minor difference, and it's a plea to, I believe, deferred on both cases. So it's a $450 fine plus court costs, 1 year deferred adjudication, 80 hours of community service restitution.
Is that, did you say 80,
80.
80, okay.
APSE course. no contact with Joe Guzman, and restitution, if any, to Joe Guzman. That's gonna run concurrently with the other case, sir.
Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Mr. Salgado?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. White, deferred can be a good deal, it can be a bad deal. The good part about the deal is if you successfully complete deferred, you can truthfully say you're never convicted of these crimes. The bad part about the deal is if you screw up and you get violated, you can be looking at the maximum time in each case of a year and a $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you still want to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in cause number 2026 CC 008263, where you're charged with the assault case. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication in this matter for 12 months, place you on probation for 12 months, assess a $450 fine plus court costs, make it a condition of you deferred that you do 80 hours of community service, that you do the APSE course, that you have no contact with, I think I have written here, Joe Guzman. Is that correct?
Yes, Ron.
Can't read my own handwriting. And that you make restitution, if any, to Joe Guzman. Is that right?
Yes, Ron.
Alex, I've ever given the minimum supervisory fee in this case. Now I have one more case I got to do, or else you'll get stuck in jail. So give me.
Judge, on the supervisory fee, if they could just be assessed on the assault,
Okay.
just one case.
Yeah. Do I need to write
Thank you.
anything on that, or can you just do that for me?
Well, actually, I'm saying it for the clerk, Judge, yes.
Okay, Bella, can you make sure that happens that way?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. All right, I'm clicking this one off. I got to do one more set of paperwork, so give me 1 minute. Okay, and then Mr. White has this other case.
I have another question, Your Honor.
Oh, come on, I can't walk and chew gum at the same time.
Well, actually, it's for the state. The restitution, is it just assessed on the assault or is it on both cases?
It's only on the assault. That's the
Okay,
difference.
thank you.
And in that same vein, is it okay if I don't assess the $400 fine on the second case, so we just keep it simple?
Yes,
Or the community service hours?
I don't have any issue with any of that as long as he does the terms on one of them.
Yeah, because if he's doing it on both, I mean, it's running concurrent. I figure if I just do it in that one case, I don't have to do it in the second case.
That's fine with me, Your Honor.
I put them
Alright.
on both.
Huh?
I put them on both, but I mean, probation already knows that they're running concurrent, but I
Okay.
can always correct it later.
Okay, well, I'm keeping it simple because that's, my middle name is Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. Okay. So, I'm on this second case, with the second case being the evade and arrest case. In that case, the court having heard you plea of no contest. On that plea, the court finds that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication in this matter for 12 months. Assess a $0 fine plus court costs. I'm not assessing the community service hours in this case because I already did in the other case. I'm not doing the APSC course in this case because I already did it in the other case. I've already assessed the restitution in the other case. So this is the most important thing. Right now, when we finish here, make sure you tell the deputies that you still need to talk to the probation officer and not to take you away, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, and then Mr. Soledad, if that's all you have, then I think you can be excused, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
And Bella, I assess the conditions the same on both, so I'm gonna have to correct them later.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. See, that's what you get for trying to mind read the judge. I mean, come on. You should know better.
Alex, you need to talk to this defendant?
Yeah,
Go
yes,
to room- go move yourself to room
Angela said
2.
it'll be in 2.
Yeah, 2. Okay, very
Okay,
good.
thank you, Terry.
Okay, let me do some housekeeping here, Judge, very quickly.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm just gonna let one more attorney in. Anyone here? Mr. Velasquez or Brandon Jackson, Mr. Hicks, Mr. Ramirez, do you need to talk to the state?
Yes, I do.
No,
Okay,
I don't.
Brandon.
no, I don't need to.
Oh, you don't need to talk to
Sorry.
the state?
Brandon does need to talk to the state.
Oh, does. Okay. Brandon, I'm moving you to room 4. Time, room 4. Anybody else need to talk to the state?
I need to talk to the state.
Who is that speaking? Mr.
This
Rodriguez?
is, yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving you to room 4. There you go. All righty.
Thank you.
Okay, now I can put people in breakout rooms. Mr. Ramirez, are you ready to speak to your client?
I am, but what I need to tell them is that the Padilla advisal that I requested has not yet arrived. And I'm gonna need another week to get that. I don't see why I wouldn't get it in another week. But
Okay,
unfortunately, we were here last week and it still hasn't come in.
it still has not come in. Okay, can I move this
No, I
to
submitted
Friday?
it two days ago. And since I'm new to this new system, I need to try to reach out directly to them. I've just been doing it on the internet. I'm not even sure if they got my request.
Mr. Ramirez,
Okay.
can you give me
So-
your client's name, please, so I can?
It's on
What-
page 3,
his-
Judge. Barrientos, Preto.
Okay, and so we're
Jesus
gonna reset
Prieto
those
Barrientos.
for Padilla letter again, right?
Yes, Mr. Ramirez, can I move this to Friday, June 5th?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you in 1 week. Thank you, Mr. Ramirez.
And then he'll be excused. He'll be
Yes.
told.
I will remove your
Okay.
client. Yes, he'll be back next week. Yes, Mr. Ramirez,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Everybody have a great weekend.
You too,
Thank you.
thank you. All righty, Mr. Hicks, you ready to see your client?
Yes, please.
All right, got it. Mr. Velasquez, you ready to see your client?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Hicks, I'm moving you to room 3.
Thanks.
Mr. Velasquez has more than one client.
Yes, Judge.
I'm back, Your Honor.
We have Ms. Davalos who just came into the meeting. Do you have an offer in your case, Ms. Davalos?
I do, Judge. I need a breakout room with my client.
Okay, I think they're full right now. We just have to wait until we get you in one, okay?
Yeah, yes, Judge. I'll put her in line, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Sid, waiting for the interpreter. They should be on any second. Did you
Okay,
get
I'm
these-
waiting for Talia to chat with me on
Oh,
those two
okay.
cases.
Oh, okay, she's,
You said you have
okay.
another client named Adolfo Lopez as well.
Yes, Judge, he's fine, but Ms. Talia's gonna review the case one more time to see if she can ask for dismissal. And the other
So
one,
that,
Judge,
is that gonna be reset then? Is that what you're telling me?
I think Talia's gonna review it one more time.
I just did. And it is not a dismissal at this time.
Okay, then we can move forward on Adolfo. On the other one, Judge, they still haven't been in touch with the CW. So we're gonna wait to see, she's gonna reach out to the prosecutor, see if we can try to do something with this case, because he's got 95 days in.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're talking about Miguel Gonzalez, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. So we're still basically conferring on that. You don't know what's going on either
Until
one of the cases.
Talia reaches out to the prosecutor.
And I'm
Okay.
waiting for a response.
Okay.
All right.
Brenda, do you need to confer with the state or anything?
Brenda?
Ms. Libet? Yeah,
Brenda, good morning.
Hi.
Hi. Have you conferred with the state already?
Well, I got an offer emailed to me. I haven't
Okay. So you don't need to confer then, I guess. Okay. We have breakout rooms in full right now, so I have to wait for the first.
That's okay.
All right.
Wait.
Okay. So we're just hurrying up and waiting right now for it to happen.
I want to go outside.
And Alex, I'll let you sign your conditions on that one probation case.
Okay, thank you, sir. And Bella, I'll correct it later.
Please,
Thank you.
somebody. Okay.
Mr. Jackson, will you move yourself to room 1, please?
Okay, I just texted you, but the state still has not given me the offer.
Okay.
Ollie was working on it, so I just need that room for the meanwhile.
Okay. Let me see what I. Mr. Velasquez, I'm moving you to room 2.
All right, thank you.
Righty trick. Righty. Righty.
Mr. Rodriguez, are you here?
I am. I'm just waiting for the offer from Talia.
Oh, you're still waiting for an offer. Okay.
Yes.
Ms. Davilos, are you waiting for an offer? Or are you ready to go, Ms. Davilos?
I need to speak with my client.
Okay, let me move you to room 1.
Thank you.
Santiago Gonzalez. Gonzalez Santiago.
Okay, I've just extended an offer. I've just extended an offer for Mr. Jackson on Gilbert Garza.
Thank you, Talia.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Mr. Jackson, can I move you to a room?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, let me move you to room 3.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Hicks, are you available?
Certainly.
Okay, we can do, Talia's here, right? Okay, we can do a plea, right?
Yes.
All
On
right.
Sanchez.
Yes,
Yes.
Judge, for Andrew Hicks.
Okay, if we get Samantha Sanchez on the camera, please.
Sanchez? Yes. Proceed.
Can you raise your right hand, man? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Is your name, you can put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Samantha Sanchez?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Samantha Sanchez who in this cause number 2026 CC 008244 who's charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was tell me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have the right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No content.
Okay. 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide if there is?
There is, Your Honor. Can you tell me the name of this defendant?
This is Samantha Sanchez.
Thank you, sir. The offer is for a $0 fine, court costs, 121 days Fair County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and she does have more than 121 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. Do you agree with this, Mr. Hicks?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Sanchez, the court accepts your plea no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 121 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. And do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
Judge, she is actually awaiting transfer to ISF, so but
Okay.
this should clear the way for her to do it.
Okay, so this case will no longer hold you. I don't know about the ISF hold on that. I just don't know how that'll be handled. But as far as this case is concerned, this case is done. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you and have a good day.
Ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Hicks. If that's the only case you have with me, you can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Hey, Mr. Sandoval, are you here with me, Frankie?
I am. Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, Frankie, the state has no offer on your guy at the moment. Is Talia here?
I'm here.
Yeah, on page 3, Barrientos, no. Pulgar Rojas.
Give me a second. That one we're asking to return to the court if the court is amenable to that. There are a lot of moving parts there.
Okay.
Okay.
So Frankie's sending that back to the original court, Frankie.
I do appreciate it. Thank you, Ms. Terry.
You're welcome.
Okay. See you later, Mr. Sandoval.
Take care, Your Honor. Good weekend, everyone.
You too. Thank you.
Too.
Thank you.
All right, we have the interpreter here for Sid. Sid, are any of your cases ready, Sid? Which one?
Mr. Lopez.
Lopez. Can I have
Yes,
Lopez at the
that-
camera,
that-
please?
That's the one with the interpreter.
Okay, yeah, interpreter's here.
Lopez
Frank.
is on
Good morning.
which page? I'm sorry.
Page
On
two.
page 2?
Yes, Judge, at the top of the page, Adolfo Lopez.
Okay, hold on. Got him there. I've got to do the interpretation, the dreaded interpretation.
The dreaded interpreter for Friday.
Okay, let's see. And let me, oh, that's wrong. Let me hit the interpretation button. I've got to type in the dreaded interpreter's name.
And while you're doing that, Jerry, you ready to speak to your client, Jerry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, moving you to room 1. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, Arlene, I've set it up on my side of the thing. Does he have it on his?
Sí, escucho.
Okay. All right. Then, sir, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sí, sí, señor.
Okay, you can put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen?
Sí, señor.
Is your name Adolfo Lopez?
Sí, señor.
Are you the same Adolfo Lopez when this cause number CC683140, who's charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon? Is that you?
Sí, señor.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí, señor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this on video. Is that right?
Sí, señor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí, señor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí, señor.
And do you understand it?
Sí, señor.
Hold on. Wait 1 minute. I got to sign this document.
Okay.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
No, señor.
Do you understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí, señor.
In other words, if you have a green card, it is possible you could lose your green card. It is possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí, señor.
Mr. Montoya, did you discuss the possible immigration consequences with your client, and does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, I explained the consequences and he does understand them.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you have signed this, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was this. You told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí, señor.
So then, to the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Sí, señor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, señor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, señor.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Sí, señor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
$0 fine plus court costs.
I cannot hear you. I'm sorry. If you could speak a little closer to your mic, or
It's a $0 fine plus court costs. 17 days, Bear County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and he does have 17 days.
would a judgment satisfy this case? Do you agree with this, Mr. Montoya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Lopez?
Sí, señor. Sí, señor.
Then, Mr. Lopez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 17 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Montoya?
Judge, he has an ICE hold.
Okay. All right. Well, so as far as case is concerned, this case no longer holds you, sir. The only thing holding you is the ICE hold that you have. Do you understand?
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay. Que le vaya bien. Good
Muchas
luck.
gracias.
And Sid, you have another case, so I'm not going to excuse you.
Yes,
Is
I'm
the
waiting for
other
Talia to
Spanish
give me
speaker as
an
well,
offer.
Sid?
I am unable to extend an offer on the other case.
I just need to get a reset then, Judge.
Pardon me. Hold on.
Okay. On page one, third one down, Judge Miguel Gonzalez. Sid, can I reset this a week or so, or no?
Yes,
Send it back.
a week will be fine.
A week will be fine. We're looking at June 5th. I'll see you back 6/5 on Gonzalez.
Thank you.
Miguel
so much.
Gonzalez reset. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
All right. And the interpreter,
Excuse Arlene then?
well, Mr. Orlando Velasquez has got a couple of cases that are immigration cases, but Arlene, I'll call you back, Arlene.
Okay, so Arlene, you're on call.
That's the one they're waiting on.
Yes, 1 week. All righty, okay, is there any offer, Mr. Rodriguez, you got an offer yet on your case?
Yeah, we have an offer. I just need
Okay.
to convey to my client and fill out the paperwork.
Okay, got it. Let me find your client on here. Where are you, Mr.
Thank
Rodriguez? J-Rod, it's Roberto, okay. Okay, hold on.
And we have Brenda Livingston just waiting anxiously to be moved into a breakout room. Now, no.
Yeah, give me a second.
I'm fine. This is my only setting today.
Yeah, Brenda, we're waiting for her client, Judge. Her client doesn't hear you.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
We've lost your client in jail. We'll try and find him. Okay,
Okay,
so
I'm
what have we
standing
got?
by.
Okay, what have we got next, Jerry? I think Terry stepped away from her desk. I can see her out there. Hopefully she'll have some use of me here shortly.
Mr. Rodriguez, I'm moving you to room
Yes.
3.
Thank you.
Talk to your client. There you go. Okay, Mr. Brandon Jackson, you ready on Gilbert Garza? Mr. Jackson here?
He is here, but he's not looking up. I see him on the screen. Maybe he's frozen.
Is he frozen or is he asleep?
Or
Can't
maybe
tell.
that's his screensaver. I don't know.
Okay, Mr. Jackson? Okay,
Let's
Judge.
move on to the next one then.
Okay, Jerry Valdez. Jerry, is your guy a Spanish speaker, Jerry?
Oh, no, él no habla español.
Oh, okay. Arlene is still here. Arlene, are you still here? No.
No, he does not speak Spanish, Terry.
Oh, he does. Oh, he
Oh,
speaks
yes,
English.
Spanish, but he does not speak Spanish.
Oh, he does. Okay, got it. All right, Judge. We're ready on Christina. I think she's got 2 cases. Is it Vidic?
An MTR and a new criminal trespass.
Okay, I'm trying to find him on my paper docket. Who is this?
Page 4, Judge, bottom of the page. Got 2 cases there.
Christina Vetch, and she's got a regular
Jerry,
case and an MTR case. What's happening on these cases? Jerry, is she pleading on both, or is one being TIC'd, or what's going on?
Plead on both, Judge. 6
pleading. Okay, she's pleading on both.
Yes.
All right, now let me find her on my screen. Okay, you got her there. Okay, so Miss Vetch, is that how you pronounce your name?
No, it's Veach.
Veach. Okay, Miss Veach. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah. That's right.
Thank you. Thank you. Put your hand down. About to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Christina Veach?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Christina Veach? For this cause number 2026 CC 008817, where this cause number is charged with the offense of criminal trespass.
Yes, sir.
Criminal trespass is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your criminal trespass case?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Christina Veach, who in cause number CC 713197, who's currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of theft of property between $100 and $750? Is that you in that case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On both these cases, you filed documents entitled Defendant's Consent to Video, and you've signed them in both cases, and so is your lawyer. When you signed these documents, you told me that it was okay to do this case by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
On your new theft case, on your new criminal trespass case, there's a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, which you have signed, your attorney has signed. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You filed this in both of your cases, signed it in both of your cases. On your new case, when you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me in this case, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand that I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
On your old case, the one that you currently are deferred for, when you signed it in that case, what you did in effect was you told me that you understand that if I do revoke your probation in that case, that you'll have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, in your new case, the criminal trespass case, how do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contents.
On your deferred case, the reason we are here on that deferred case is that there's been a motion to adjudicate you guilty and revoke your deferred in that case that alleges that during the term of that probation that you violated the conditions of the probation. I want to ask the district attorney to please read the alleged allegation, please.
Yes, Your Honor, here I come. We're proceeding on a violation of condition number 12A that on or about the 14th day of April 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Christina Renee Veach, did then and there fail to register for or attend a theft program with the approved agency in violation of condition number 12A.
And to that allegation, how do you plead, ma'am? True or not true?
True.
In
We'll
either
waive
one
the
of these,
rest.
in either one of these cases, has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that you got in these cases through your lawyer, besides that and apart from that, somebody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing these pleas of your own free will in both these cases.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? If it's the same, we can do it once. Otherwise, we can do it separately.
It appears to be the same, Your Honor.
Okay.
$0 fine plus court costs, 30 days Bexar County jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, cases running concurrently with one another, and she does have 18 days at this time.
I'm going to go ahead and judgment satisfy her in this case. In these cases, do you agree to that, Mr. Valdez?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
You agree to this, Ms. Veach?
Yes, sir.
Then Ms. Veach, on your new case, the criminal trespass case, the court having heard you plead no contest in that case, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, the judgment satisfied. Okay, I signed that one. Now I got to go back and sign that other case. So give me 1 minute, please. Okay, and in the deferred case, the court having heard your plea of true to the motion to revoke your probation is revoked. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Are these the only cases holding your client, Mr. Valdez?
Yes, they are, Your Honor.
If these are the only cases holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies we're finishing the case, and Jerry, that's the only thing you have with me today. You can be excused, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Weekend, Christina, behave yourself.
I will. Thank you, Jerry.
Bye.
All right, bye.
All righty. Mr. Jackson, are you ready on Gilbert Garza?
Yes.
All
Sorry,
right,
I think
good.
my Wi-Fi went out. so-
Okay, no worries. You're up next. You're up
Gilbert
next.
Garza, what page?
Page one,
one,
second one down, Judge, page one.
Okay, so let me see, Mr. Garza, right there.
Hello, how you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Garza. Hold on 1 minute.
No problem, sir.
Okay, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Sure can.
Your name, Gilbert Garza Jr.
Yes, correct.
Are you the same Gilbert Garza who in this cause number 2026 CC 002348, who is charged with the offense of theft of property of something having a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir. I am.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
That's correct. Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir. I sure did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir. He sure did.
And do you understand it?
I do. Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 minute. I've got to sign this paper.
Okay.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir. I am.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your lawyer signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of theft of property is a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, does somebody promise you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
I am. Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? So,
It's a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. He has 9 days.
okay. If he doesn't have at least half the time in, he's going to have to do more time because I'm not going to judgment satisfied. Does your client know that, Mr. Jackson?
He does, Judge. I notified him.
And do you still want to do this, Mr. Garza?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
And Mr. Garza, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bear County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. The time and the money were concurrent. You'll still have to do some extra time on this. I don't know how much it'll be. It'll be up to the jail. You understand that?
I understand. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me. Yes, sir.
Oh no, I just wanted to say, like, I am fully employed at the moment as well.
Okay.
And I am, and that I'm in a trustee part as well.
Okay. Well, hopefully they'll give you more credit for that.
Okay.
In the meantime, Mr. Jackson, you can be excused, and you sir can tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. All right.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Good luck to you.
Good luck, Mr. Garza.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson.
Sure.
All right.
Judge, the interpreter is here. Mr. Rodriguez, you ready? On Jaramillo, Roberto?
I'm ready.
All righty, Judge. Page 1, bottom of the page.
Okay. Yeah. Do I have to do all that interpretation stuff all over again?
We'll waive it, Your Honor.
No. I'm talking to the interpreter. Where's the interpreter? Arlene. Arlene.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
you need to do the interpretation function
Oh
again.
man, I hate doing
I
that.
know, it's Friday, just
Okay, all right. Okay, so I gotta go and hit
one more time.
manage language preference. No, it's not that one more time. Now I gotta do a whole new thing that is telling me to manage language preference. I have to
Okay.
type your name in again. All right. And now I need to update. And I'm hitting English again just to make sure. So I've got it, I think, on my end. Arlene, does he have it on his end?
Sí.
Okay. All right, then, Mr. Halamia, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Lo juro.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Sí.
Is your name Roberto Alamia?
Sí, sí, señoría.
Are you the same Roberto Jaramillo with this cause number 2026 CC 008330, who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated?
Sí.
The state has
Okay.
a motion.
Yes, I was about to say, because the paperwork does not match what's on the screen. Does the state have a motion in this case?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move to waive the 0.15 enhancement and proceed as a straight B-class DWI.
Okay. The state's motion is granted. You're
Sí,
now
señor.
charged with DWI as the first offense. And for that offense, it is possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum 72 hours in jail up to maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Sí, señoría.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Sí, señoría.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí, señoría.
And do you understand it?
Sí, sí, señoría.
Okay, hold on. I've got to sign this document. 1 minute.
Ujú.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
Do you understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí, señoría.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí, señoría.
Have you discussed with your client the possible immigration consequences, Mr. Jackson, and does he understand? Excuse me. I'm sorry, Mr. Rodriguez, and does he understand?
He does, Your Honor, and I have discussed them.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain agreement, I understand that I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí, señoría.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Culpable.
Okay. 1 minute. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sí, señoría.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, and apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sí, señoría.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Sí, señoría.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide if there is?
$0 fine, court costs, 58 days, Bear County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. He has 29.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and judgment satisfy him on this case. Do you agree to this, Mr. Rodriguez?
I do, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Jaramillo?
Sí, señoría.
Then the court, sir, haven't heard you plead guilty. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs, 58 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Rodriguez?
He has an ice hold, Your Honor, but that's all.
Okay. All right. So as far as this case is concerned, this case no longer holds you, sir, but you still have an ice hold that will hold you. All right. Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finishing your case, Mr. Rodriguez. If that's the only thing you have with me today, you can be excused.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Buena suerte, señor Jaramillo.
Okay, gracias.
Thank you.
All right, Judge, we're done with Arlene, Judge.
Okay, we're done with you, Arlene. We're done. Good riddance.
Good
See
riddance.
you next week. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Harsh words.
Harsh words, exactly. I am waiting for Mr. Orlando Velasquez to get out of room 2. He had 4 clients today, and Brenda Livingston has got her client in room 5, Judge. She's on the
Okay.
7th floor. So I'm just waiting for them to come out, Judge.
And Rebecca Davalos.
Rebecca Davalos, Judge, his case is going back. Why is it going back? Let me see. Rebecca Davalos.
No offer or no agreement sent back.
Yeah, send back, Judge. It's they need to contact the complaining witness first, so it's reset to Tuesday of next week.
Are we
Also,
talking
Judge,
about Santiago Gonzalez?
Yes.
We made an offer on that case.
Okay, it's reset to Tuesday, June 2nd.
Santiago Gonzalez is reset. Okay.
Yeah, she left already. We sent the inmate back, Judge, but we'll bring it back on Tuesday.
Okay.
And then on the last page of the docket, Judge, last one, Roberto Cepeda, he bonded out, Judge.
Well, that got no good, rotten human being.
Yeah, and we're waiting for
Bonded out.
Orlando
Didn't want-
Velasquez
didn't want
to
to
get
talk.
out and Brenda Livingston, Judge, and those are our last 2, and then we'll be ready for the bonds. But Jennifer is here if you want to do if you want to go over the bonds, Judge, with her.
Yeah, that I'll do that. No.
Actually, let me do bonds with you first, Jennifer, because some people have refused.
Okay, let me, Jennifer, are you there?
Yeah, good morning.
Hey, Jennifer, let me just go over the docket with you real quick. Jennifer, I have number 1 listed as Juan Cisneros.
Yes,
Okay, is he going to be here?
Yeah.
they should be here.
Okay, number 2,
Should be here.
3,
Should be here.
They refused. Number 3 refused. No,
Oh,
4
number-
refused.
Number 4
Four.
refused.
okay,
Four,
hold
yeah.
on, let me back up. Number 3 refused, Terry?
No, number 3 should be here, Judge.
Terry?
Yes, Judge, I meant to say number 4 refused.
Okay, so number 3 is going to be here. So number 4 refused. Okay, number 5,
Should be here.
6,
6 and 7 refused.
6 refused, 7 refused, 8,
Should be here.
9
Refused.
refused, 10.
10, 11, and 12 should be here, Judge.
Okay, we're waiting on these 2 of the pleas to go. Terry, let me talk to you about the docket.
Okay,
On the
Judge.
first base, Othanel Gretchen, we still have Brenda Levinstein confirmed with her, right?
Correct,
Okay.
Judge.
What about the next one down, Kayling Harvey?
The next one down is who, Judge?
Kaylay Danielle Harvey, the one just below Othel Wilson on my paper docket. The attorney's listed as James Hunt.
Oh, James Hunt, that one, let me find it, Judge. I don't know what page that is on.
It's on page 1 of the
Page
document.
1, James Hunt. It's going back to 15 because she's got a CPS case pending. That's
So
gotta be taken
was
care
it-
of.
So sent back.
Just sent back, Judge, yeah.
Okay.
That's not a
And then
reset.
going to page 2 of my docket.
Okay.
What happened on Orlando Velasquez Polanco? Is he still working on that?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And going to page 3 of my docket, the rest of page 3 is taken care of. Page 4 of my docket, what happened with Trey Riley?
Mr. Velasquez is in room 2, Judge.
Working on that. Okay. And Mr. Velasquez is also working on Richard Twist.
Correct,
Twist?
Judge. Yes.
Okay, and then what about the last page of the docket? Thomas White is Mr. also working on that?
Yeah, that one got taken care of. $450 fine, 1 year deferred adjudication, Judge.
Thomas White?
On Thomas White, Judge, he had 2 cases. One on page 4, one on page 5.
Okay. All right. I'm hoping, Bella, did I do paperwork on Thomas White on that second case, the evade and arrest case?
Yes, I have the paperwork for both of his pleas. You put all the conditions on one and then you have it
Okay,
running
okay.
concurrent with the other.
Okay, I just left it blank on my docket sheet. Okay, good enough. Right.
And Judge, the attorney of the day is here if you want to do some of the bonds. Because it's up to you because
okay.
Brenda
No,
still
we can-
just, yeah.
We can do that.
Okay.
We take us off of the YouTube temporarily.
Is Mr. Garcia here? Let's see.